What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. A daily update, and in this video I wanted to clarify some things. We'll talk about the technicals. I mean, in general, if you watched my last couple of videos, you would have been prepared on this move down, so hopefully you were. We'll talk about what I expect. We had a significant bearish breakout again earlier today, and in general, look, what I wanted to clarify to get into the video is that I've been relatively bearish on Jasmy for the last couple of days. All right, so basically, well, actually already right here when we got this bearish breakout, I was relatively bearish. We got one more kind of liquidation hunt, and then we started dropping down. So I have been bearish for the last couple of days. I think that's a good thing, all right? Because if you would have listened to my analysis, of course I can be wrong, but you would have been prepared for this. But I do want to stress, and I don't think that comes across in my videos that much. I mean, if you know me, if you followed my Jasmy analysis for a longer time, you already know this. But I'm fundamentally bullish on Jasmy. All right, I think Jasmy is not a bad hold. The thing is I'm a day trader. I'm a swing trader. All right, so my analysis is usually short term. So when Jasmy short term is bullish, I will be bullish, and when we're short term bearish, like the last couple of days, I will be short term bearish. And I'll tell you that in my videos, because I'll tell you what I see. But if you zoom out, I mean, there's no way I find this chart bearish. All right, if we get to some sort of a level right here at 2.2 cents in decent market circumstances, or lower at like 1.5 cents in a worst case scenario, I think Jasmy is one of the best buys from altcoins you can do. All right, I think Jasmy is a pretty guaranteed pick to eventually rally when the market gets more bullish than this. So yeah, I just want to clarify that. But I still think, and if you don't like me saying this, then unfollow me. But I still think on the short term we are bearish. Now we got some good news that it will be listed on Coinbase futures on August the 8th. So we got a nice reaction from that, as you can see. That was good. But in the end, I don't think, look, over the long term that will matter. Short term, I don't think it matters. And I think that if it would matter, we would have already seen it. And at this point of time, the same thing holds for Jasmy as what held the last couple of days. And that is that I don't think the markets are strong enough right now to facilitate altcoins to hold their levels. All right, so that's one of the key reasons why I'm bearish on Jasmy. We also broke down below a significant support level right here at 2.75 cents, which you can also see historically is a very relevant support level. So I don't expect Jasmy to crash, but I do think it's most likely here that will drop down into that support level at 2.5 cents. For now, I expect that to hold. All right, we might break down. So for now, what I expect is that we'll drop down to 2.5 cents, and that we'll be able to get some sort of a consolidation on top of that. Now, due to the uncertainty in the markets right now, I would be prepared for the bearish breakout, all right? Because obviously we can also drop down lower. But the thing is that as long as Bitcoin is holding 62,800, I think Jasmy will hold as well. If anything happens, like some sort of an escalation in the Middle East, obviously Bitcoin is going to drop down, and obviously Jasmy is going to follow that down towards the low 2 cents areas, right? So take that into account. But based on the information we have right now, and based on the moves we see right now, I'd say it's most likely that we're going to be able to hold it. If you look at the momentum right here for Jasmy, which is a bit of a meme that I talk about the momentum, but I just have to. Momentum for Jasmy has still been relatively low. There's no indication in that that we're going to pump. All right. If you see something like this, if you see the open interest, if you see the momentum increasing like this with a relatively positive CVD, then you can start to talk about some sort of a pump happening, and that's why I think it's crucial. Right now, there's some momentum coming in, but it's much too early to call that anything. But it is good, all right? Some momentum here is good, and that also makes me a little bit more certain that we will be able to hold that level at 2.5 cents, and that we'll also be able to get some sort of a nice bounce from there. But those are my thoughts, all right? I'll try to keep you updated on this. If Bitcoin does turn bullish over the course of the day, we could also do something like this, for example, extend the consolidation up a bit. But I see no indication of a bull run happening short term, all right? Keep that in mind, short term. those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.